Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to blur a face in Premiere Pro using masking technique. You are going to learn how to do the exact same video as you can see on the screen right now. This is perfect technique for protecting your privacy in your videos. So let's dive in our video. First, let's set up our project. Open Premiere Pro, then create a new project and import your footage by going to File, Import, or you can just drag and drop your files into the project panel. So now let's play the video. So as you can see, I have a video of man with his face, and the camera is constantly going closer to the man, and we can also notice that the camera and face are moving. So to blur the face we will have to use a tracking technique as well. So firstly you want to go effects panel, then search in the loop the mosaic effect, the one that is under the stylize, and then you want to drag and drop it onto your video. As you can see here in the effects control panel you can find the mosaic effect settings. Let's change the horizontal and vertical blocks so we can see our man more clearly, and then we will be able, by using the pen tool right here, make our selection of the part of the video where we want our mosaic effect to work. So I'm going just simply to draw like this the part of the man that I'm going to blur. So I'm going to choose his face like this with the pen tool. Then after it's done, it can be edited by you. So I mean, like, you can move it like this, or you can decrease or increase amount of the area that you have highlighted. Yeah, like that. You just simply can drag it. And then what you want to do next is go to the mosaic effect once again, find your mask. So like I here have two masks, but first one it's just simple one. So I'm going to press here. You can see the drag method. I'm playing this through, and then we're going to wait when it will be dragged through. It could have taken some big time. I have speed up the video, and then after it's dragged we can play our video through. I can delete this mask, and then after we apply this video through, it has automatically set up the mosaic effect onto the parts of the video by using AI, so that our face is blurred. Now let's change back to the horizontal and vertical spaces. So let's decrease it so our face is more kind of blurred. You can choose sharp colors as well if you want, but I will toggle it off. And then when we play the video we can easily see that our face is blurred and our video is done. If you want to change something and if you don't like something, here are the keyframes that was done automatically by the AI. But if you don't like something, you can choose a keyframe and then move it like this. But then it will start tracking automatically once again. So I won't do it because Adobe has done a pretty great job, and I'm going just to get back to the one that I had. But remember that if you want to change something by yourself, you can press on a keyframe and then drag your selection. So right now let's export our video. You want to press on the export or file export, and then you open this window. You can change the name of your file. Here you can see all the data, all the quality specifications. Make sure to choose H.264 format and then click on export. After it's exported you will see a blue sign here on the right bottom. It means that the video has exported to your files. That's it for today's tutorial, guys, on how to blur a face in a Premiere Pro. I hope you find this helpful and very easy. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions on topics you would like to cover in the Adobe Premiere Pro, please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.